Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I want you guys to come along with me as I get my bride ready for her court wedding. Yeah, so I got up as early as I would say 4 maybe 3:55. I had to get ready to leave the house for 4:30. So I planned with my cab guy to come pick me up as early as 4:30. So no matter what, I should be at her location for 5 a.m. because yeah, our court wedding was to start as about 8 a.m. in the morning, or rather she was going to leave the house because her location from her house to Ikoyi, there's going to be traffic, so she wanted to get there early. Yeah, it was a crazy experience because I had to wake up early. Yeah, I saw this supermarket to my way. Is a new supermarket, Super Saver. I was like, yeah, this is interesting, I should visit there. If you're in Lagos, you should try to check there out. I got to my bride's house. This is me setting up now, waiting for her to come downstairs. So I had to set up my things, make sure that everything is easy for me to reach. This is my pretty bride, Uju.
You ready to be married?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
So I started her makeup, prepping her skin, making sure that she has a healthy skin for the makeup, and making sure that I give her a good skin prep that's going to help her makeup last the whole day, because I was not going to be there for touch up. And trust me, at that court, the sun that is there and the heat, if you are ever going to have your court wedding at Ikoyi, better go there with a good car with AC, because you might go there and there is queue. Anyways, I use this MAC cosmetic eye cream under her eyes to help moisturize her eyes and make sure that my foundation, concealer, they are going to sit properly there and I'm not going to get any crack. Yeah, and so after which I moved on with priming her face. I was using the Milk Hydro Boost primer. I used that to prime all over her face. Then I used the Becca primer to prime just the T-zone area of her face. That is the place I think she's going to have more oil. Yeah, the Becca primer is more mattifying. The Hydro Boost primer is more like a water-based primer. So make sure you don't put primer under your eyes. I told you, don't put primer under your eyes. So you can just focus on the areas that you think you are going to have more oil coming out of your face, because putting primer under the eyes is not healthy, it's not good. I went ahead to use the NARS foundation in Macau for her foundation. I couldn't get all the process of the video, so I'm setting the foundation with the Kiss Beauty setting spray and fix spray rather. Yeah, so we were done. I couldn't get videos because my battery was low. Nigerian wahala, or rather my phone wahala. I couldn't video everything. So this is the problem. Time to pack. Oh god, another wahala. Yes, this is my pretty bride. She's all set and ready to leave. Oh, this makeup was giving 10 over 10, over 100, over 1 million. Don't mind me. But yeah, she looked so good. I was heading home. I was so tired. Trust me, I needed to sleep, and getting home, I have a lot of work to do. I still needed to cook. This is Holy Week. I needed to prepare for Easter. So I told my help to help me get some things from the market. I gave her 500 to get ginger and garlic. Look at the ginger. I was shocked when I go home, like, what? 500 naira. I say, girl, you have to be going to all my market runs as in, because all this aboki won't give me ginger for this amount. See the garlic. So she got potatoes too, because Kiara loves Irish potatoes, so I try to stock them most of the time. We got some onions. Yeah. I wasn't really so impressed with the onions because I was expecting more. And we got pineapples. Yeah, so I had to cook too. When I, as in, immediately I go home, I didn't even drop my bag. Like, I wasn't even settled. Immediately I had to cook, because if I don't make that food, trust me, a girl is going to sleep till the next day. And yeah, I still had some stuff to do. I still have had to work online. I had my online job, I'd not worked. I still needed to work. And I was complaining because, man, the chicken was too big. I was like, why would they call that chicken too big? I don't get that kind of money. So I was just prepping stuff that I'll use to make the stew. Like, crazy day. So you guys can see, like, it's not easy being a bridal MUA. With the whole talk about how much they charge for bridal makeup. So this is my bride. Her wedding is still sometime this month. I have to check my schedule, I can't remember, but today was her court wedding. So the court gave them time to be there by 8 a.m. You can imagine. So of course I had to be there as early as possible. I had to be there like 5 o'clock. Like, I don't have 1 minute or 2 minutes to even waste. Do you understand? So, as in, mentally it's stressful, physically it's exhausting. You get? So when they start charging, it's all these things you are charging for, the inconveniences. You get? I don't know the day people are going to understand what we do as makeup artists, the role we play, you get, in the beauty industry. How people don't overly say, oh, this person is overpriced. How people tend to think, oh, people that are doing celebrities and all those people, they are the people that should maybe charge higher, or I don't even know. But for me, I charge what I know my business is worth. From doing upgrade, like as I'm here, I do upgrade classes like back to back. I'm paying for those classes. You get? Like, I spend money, products that I use. You understand? That I don't even use, like. So what can differentiate my bridal work from maybe a regular makeup might be the skin prep. There is just something that comes with bridal makeup. I don't know, maybe somehow a bride that have had that experience should come and say it. You get? Because me right now, I can't even explain. Yeah, so if you're just coming to my channel, okay, thank you for being here. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. I'm really exhausted. I think I need to sleep. I still have to I think the time is about 7 is about like almost 9 a.m. right now. So because before I got my ride and packed my things, by like um by like 7 o'clock, my bride was ready. So we had time to do videos, snap pictures, did her thing before she left for the court. Yeah, I just want to close my eyes and sleep. I am exhausted. With the whole rush safe, I forgot that I didn't wear wig when I was going out. Thank God for clean cornrows. Like, I totally forgot. I didn't even wear earring, no necklace, no hand, nothing. You can see how crazy it can be. It's crazy. So working, being a parent, you get trying to look for money is just crazy. You guys know that. So guys, I just want to end this video here. I don't want it to be too long or too short. You get, so I just want those people that have not really had the experience, like makeup artists and stuff, to maybe do a bridal job or get a bridal job. Your time is going to come. You get, so because me, I have spoken into myself this year. I said this year is going to be the year I'm going to ace doing bridal jobs. Like, at least, God, every month I must have one bride. And I have prophesied, I have declared, and I have taken it. It's going to be for me. There is nothing that is going to change, you get, the prophecy of God's words in my life. So I have prophesied this thing. Every month I would have a bridal job to do, because that is the area I'm really trying to get into. That's what I want to do more bridal jobs. You get, be very good at it, yeah. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I would see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification, like this video. And for every makeup artist that is looking to ace a bridal job, I say God is listening to your prayers. Things are going to work out. Just keep doing your thing, just keep being you, put in more effort, do shoots, collaborate with other bridal vendors. Just put your work out there, and I know that God is going to come through for you in Jesus' name. Amen. Bye bye.